So a follower requested that I make the good old-fashioned cassava pone with just brown sugar and no condensed milk. So today is your lucky day. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. You'll need some freshly grated coconut, freshly grated cassava, and I have here some coconut milk, some melted butter. I'll be using some brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, ginger, and black pepper. This recipe goes by super quick because it is so easy. You're basically going to combine all of the ingredients, mix well, and that's it. The longest the recipe takes is the baking process. So once you are done combining everything, you're going to transfer this to whatever baking dish you want to use. Today I will be using a skillet, which I prepared with some parchment paper and butter, and we're going to transfer the batter over. You're going to level it off nicely and place it into a 350-degree oven for about an hour, or as long as you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean, your pone is all done. And this is how it looks once it's done. Absolutely divine. But you know, I eat with my eyes and it looked a bit dry at the top, so I went over it with a sugar water glaze. But this is completely optional. You do not have to do this. You can let this cool down completely and serve it up just as it is. You know, I'm so impatient. I could not wait for it to cool down completely. So after about 20 minutes, I went and cut into the pone, and it was a bit softer in texture, but once you allow it to cool down completely, it will be the perfect chewy texture that we all love and enjoy. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.